Hi. When I wrote the blog just a few weeks ago, coming out of lockdown phobia, it was a little bit tongue in cheek. I mean, I did have my own anxieties, but over the ensuing weeks, I've been, well, not too surprised that some of my online clients and friends are also dreading the loosening off of lockdown. Whether it's losing that sort of simple choices that we having to drive somewhere in, drives into somewhere through traffic to earn a living. Anyway, I've decided to put together an informal workshop next Sunday, that's the 21st, in the afternoon. Bring your own tea and cake around the kitchen table online. And I'm going to write three provocative questions for you tomorrow. So let me know if you're in. I'll send you those questions. We'll do a little meditation and see if we can set the world to rights.